Hi, this is Lois Haggard from the New Mexico Department of Health. This is video 2 in a series of 4 videos that talk about the types of pages that are in the IBIS-PH indicator-based system, information system for public health software web application. So this video is about the types of static pages that and how they're maintained. So most of the introductory pages in IBIS-PH are HTML type pages. HTML is the basic language that all internet browsers understand. When a user requests a page, it is sent to the user's browser as HTML. The browser knows how to read and format the structured HTML content. These HTML type pages are stored on the server in the IBIS application as text files, or as XML and HTML files, which are a form of text. IBIS-PH just serves them up when they're requested, and the pages need very little dynamic processing. So here's an example static page, the contents and usage page, and so here's the basic interaction between a user and the IBIS application, IBIS web application. So the user clicks on a link typically and sends a URL to a server. In this case it's not IBIS, it's Google. And the server sends back HTML, the structured text, and the user's browser knows how to read the HTML and produce on the page what the link requested. Okay, so hypertext markup language, or HTML, is a standardized way to structure text that uses tags to tell a web browser how to display text and images on the page. This text string right here, my text, will be read by the user's internet browser and presented in a web page in bold font, my text. Those angle bracketed text strings are called tags. The first tag is a start tag and the second tag is an end tag. Tags almost always come in pairs. HTML version 5 has over 100 tags that can be used to format web page content. And there's a reference, a good reference on the W3 Schools pages for HTML and XML and XSLT. Okay, so you can put straight HTML, a straight HTML file in IBIS-PH and it'll work just fine, but more often we use XML files. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, and it's called extensible because a programmer can create custom tags and program them to do special things that would not be possible in HTML. For instance, IBIS-PH has a custom tag called Expandable Content that combines the functions of several HTML tags and CSS formatting to create these expandable and collapsible sections on the IBIS pages. So here's a section that's collapsed, and if I click on Expand, it expands it and gives me the content in the section. Here's the XML text that contains the content for that description expandable section. So you can see there's text here and some specialized tags that IBIS uses. So that's it for static pages. The next video in this series is going to talk about indicator report and community profile web pages in IBIS. Thank you.